Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Lego Mindstorms EV3 full guide. Begin by unpacking the kit and checking parts, then charge the EV3 battery fully. Next, install the official EV3 app and connect the brick via Bluetooth or USB. Update the firmware, assemble the core robot following step-by-step instructions, and load a sample program to test motors and sensors for proper operation and calibration. Now focus on assembly with a calm, stepwise pace so you avoid mistakes and save time. Start by building the chassis and mounting motors and sensors using the illustrated manual pieces. Route cables tidily and test each motor and sensor connection as you go to ensure responsiveness. Make small adjustments to align gears and wheels, then perform a simple movement test so the robot drives straight and sensors return expected values. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides for builders. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless and oddly satisfying between builds. It's a fun way to keep your workspace tidy while you tinker. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we cover programming in a friendly, practical way so you can build confidence fast. Create a new project in the EV3 app, drag blocks to make a basic drive and sense routine, and link sensor feedback to motor actions. Upload the program to the brick and run it, watching for expected behavior. Iterate by tweaking motor power and sensor thresholds until the robot performs reliably across multiple trials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.